You need to fight, Moxie. Show them it's our differences that make us shine. There's always gonna be someone trying to tear you down, mocking you for your mistakes. Oh, there's always gonna be someone messing your head around, watching you to see you break. So don't you let them call you out, brush away the shame and doubt. Remember what you're all about, and then show them who you are. Show them that you're strong. Show them that you know where you belong. Open up their eyes, force them all to see. Let them know you are and you'll always be unbreakable. Shut them down, don't fall apart. No, don't you let them in your head. Doesn't matter what they said. Get up on your feet instead, and then show them who you are. Show them that you're strong. Show them they've been seeing you all wrong. Open up their minds, throw away the key. Tell them that you are you're strong. Show them that you've known it all along. Open every door on your destiny. Live as if you are what you were and you've been and you'll always be unbreakable.
Great song, guys. Oh, hello, Mandy. Lou's gonna love this.
Hey!